Cooks, today we're making air fryer fluffy egg bites. We're going to use this little thingamajig and the Cosori air fryer, and we're going to make these little egg bites that are puffy and filled with all kinds of goodness. They're absolutely fantastic. So join me. Let's make air fryer fluffy egg bites. So today we're going to do a little air fryer love, right? I have this little thing. We're going to make this. This is a little silicone egg bite thing. You can use this in an air fryer or a pressure cooker. I have my brand new Cosori air fryer here. And the first thing we're going to do is we're going to cook up some little sausage patties in the air fryer. So you can cook as many as you want. I might cook a little extra.
Appetizers, baby.
For snacking. We're going to go ahead and put these in here. So I'm going to turn this on to 350. It automatically comes up to that, so I'm just going to hit start, and I'm going to watch them. Every time I cook these, it depends on the size and power of your air fryer, so just watch them. Just takes a few minutes. You may have to flip them once, but as soon as these are done, I'll be back. Okay, time for these babies to come out. Woohoo! They're looking good. Okay, so we need to cut our sausage up in little pieces so it will fit into our egg bites. So I just take my sausage and I just go like this. Be careful because it's hot. Use a fork if you need to. Ah! It's hot. I'm gonna put in, whoops. There I go, dropping the stuff. Put it in this little bowl here.
Sorry, ma'am. I'm going to cite you for excessive Jimmy Dean. So here, thank you. You're free to go.
Thanks. I knew that was going to happen. Every time you cook these, you have to cook extra. Mm-hmm. Because you won't have enough for your actual dish. That's what happens around here also when you're making bacon bits.
Mm-hmm. Now.
So I put our little egg bite silicone mold inside our basket here. So we want to put our ingredients into here and then put the egg in. One of the things I've done in the past is I've made the eggs and put all the ingredients in one container thinking I was going to put it in here. But then all the ingredients go to the bottom. They sink to the bottom. So when I go to pour it, it's just all egg. So the best thing to do is put your ingredient inside here and then fill them with the egg. So I have some very finely chopped onion.
Which is raw, not cooked.
Yeah, this is raw, but
It'll be good.
you can do, if you want to caramelize your onions, go for it, right? It's going to have a little fresh bite of onion in there. Next, we're going to put our sausage. Yum. You can use any kind of sausage you would like. You can even make little bacon bits and use that. Tomato. I'm going to put a little dash of cilantro in each one of these because, well, that's how I am. So you can fill these whatever kind of ingredients you want. If you want to make little tiny pieces of zucchini, you could put bacon, you could put turkey bacon, you could put pretty much the sky's the limit. So I do have some cheese, but that's going on the top later onto Eric's. So let me get the eggs. So this is where we're going to get our fluffy egg bites. First, we're going to give us a little seasoning action. So we have some salt action, pepper, fresh cracked. I'm going to put in a pinch of cayenne because that's how I am. Wow, this is strong cayenne. Woo! And now we have our immersion blender. This is a little pink KitchenAid. And we're going to, we really want to get some aerate these eggs, so that's why I'm using the immersion blender. And we're going to let this go a little bit. This is not a super high-powered immersion blender. I have another one that's like 5-speed or something, and it seems like it has a little more power.
Did you put this in like a Vitamix or a blender? Would that help or not really?
I guess you could. An immersion blender is just a reverse blender, right? You're gonna get a lot of air in there.
It looks a little foamy.
Yeah. So now that we have a lot of air in here, we're going to immediately take this and fill our little cups here. That's very foamy. Woo! So we're gonna pop these into the air fryer. I'm gonna cook it just on the default 350. How long these takes are really gonna depend on your air fryer, so we're just gonna watch them. Probably take maybe about 12 minutes, 10 minutes, 12 minutes, 13, something like that. When they're done, we'll be back. I'm gonna put a little cheese on a couple of these for E-Boo. E-Boo and the cheese boo.
Yum, yum, boo.
How about that, yum, yum, boo?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Back in for just a second. Looks like the cheese is melted. Woohoo! Oh! Okay, so I'm gonna pop these out. Woo!
Ooh.
Look at that. Little puffy little egg bites. Woo! Boom. They're so soft and puffy. Woo! So I'm going to put a little creamy chili honey sriracha sauce on them. Whoop! This thing is not squeezing out right. Oh wow. Got a little extra tomato on there. And put a little cilantro on there. Just a plate.
Looks like Christmas, all that red and green.
That made it kind of cute, huh? So this is what the egg bite looks like on the inside. So it looks really good. It's nice and creamy on the inside. We have all those ingredients that we added. And they taste real good. They're nice and soft. Wow. I actually have some pocket bread on here I want to eat them with. So you know I had to be a little extra with it because a lot of people are making these egg bites. And I had to, you know, dress the plate up. So these two are the ones without cheese. I'm going to put them in a little pocket bread because that's how I am.
That's how we roll, baby.
Stick them in here. I have a little bit of mayo in there.
Yeah.
And get Eric some in a little pocket bread. Yeah, that's kind of weird that I'm putting them in a pocket bread. But if you want to make these and put them in the refrigerator so you can eat them on your way to work, you can just quickly nuke them, throw them in a pocket, and you're on your way, right? Let's give Eric a little tom-tom.
Last time I checked, I don't think Chick-fil-A makes these things.
Chick-fil-A?
So I think you just saved $30.
Order up.
Thank you. Thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome. So here is mine in my pita pocket. And we're going to go and take a bite. Perfect in the pocket bread. My pocket bread's falling apart a little bit.
Yeah, mine too.
My pocket bread's a little thin.
The egg tastes good. Got all the little toppings in it.
Tastes really good. Have everything you need. So I'm off to eat a little breakfast here. I really enjoyed this. This was fun making in an air fryer. We might try to make these in a pressure cooker as well. If you want to take a look at this Cosori air fryer, I'll put links to it down in the description. It's breakfast time.